Welcome to the Kelsey Floor Plan by D.R. Horton, located in the Miles Farms community in Danville. This community is packed full of amenities with upcoming clubhouse, pool, parks and trails. This home is available right now and with special incentives and lower interest rates. Welcome to the Kelsey Floor Plan by D.R. Horton. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home with 2-car garage. Its open concept living room, dining area, and kitchen are perfect for entertaining. The kitchen offers quartz countertops, island and stainless steel Whirlpool appliances. The laundry is located on the main level. 2 beds and 2 baths are located on the main level as well. Bedroom 1, set near the rear of the home, offers a large walk-in closet, private bath and dual sinks, and private commode, linen closet, and walk-in shower. Upstairs features 2 bedrooms, full baths, and a loft and hall linen closet. The Miles Farm community spans over 357 acres. The amenities will include a splash pad, a large swimming pool with sun deck and kiddie pool, a huge clubhouse, racquetball, bocce ball, and tennis courts, playgrounds, basketball court, and many walking trails. Standard features in every D.R. Horton home include hardy plank siding, all stainless steel Whirlpool appliances including gas stove, smart home technology features throughout.